Hello! Today I will be providing you several important facts and figures about our Philips CoreLine Tempo. It provides energy efficiency. The CoreLine Tempo saves up to 66% energy compared to conventional lighting systems. Additionally, Philips CoreLine Tempo offers an efficacy of up to 133 lumens per watt. This range offers dimmable versions and comes in color temperatures of 3000 Kelvin and 4000 Kelvin and a luminous flux from 8000 lumens to 41,000 lumens for point-to-point replacement for conventional HPI floodlights. It provides high-performance asymmetrical and symmetrical optics that improve the utilization factor to optimize the number of fixtures needed for your installation. Philips CoreLine Tempo comes in a variety of sizes for multiple jobs such as sports and industrial areas, harbors, airports, parking lots or facades. The range counts with the following benefits: surge protection up to 10 kV, a robust die-cast aluminum housing that offers protection against vibration and wind force, U-shaped universal mounting bracket with scale to regulate the tilt angle, an external cable with quick 3-pole IP66 connector for faster installation, and an optional seaside resistant finish. Certification: Philips CoreLine Tempo holds the ENAC and ENAC Plus marks, guaranteeing the highest quality you deserve. This means you can get the most out of our Philips CoreLine Tempo.